The more money you have located inside of any individual LLC, the more attractive it's going to be for somebody to sue you. Makes sense, right? Lawsuits are all about how much money can I get out of somebody, and if there's $1 million sitting inside of an LLC in equity or cash, well, that might be something that I really want to go after. It's for this reason that me and my colleagues think that limit the equity in any individual LLC to $200,000. This is not the case if you're using a Series LLC, because a Series LLC allows you to compartmentalize those assets. So we don't have the same worries there that we do inside of a traditional LLC. However, I think that usually a few $1 million inside of a Series LLC makes it reasonable to be able to create a new entity, just in case. Why not? The expenses that you're being able to incur by having to create a new Series LLC are far less than the amount of risk that you pose when you're really risking millions of dollars in equity. My name is Scott Smith. I'm an asset protection attorney out of Austin, Texas, and I want to help you.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want more high quality content just like this, you can find it here on our YouTube channel or go into our website, royallegalsolutions.com. We have a ton of free content from our blogs, our videos, the podcasts that I have been featured on. Whatever question you have, we're going to have it there for you.